Hey guys, Harry from Wispicoya Jerry Collector here. And today I'm going to show you something really cool. This is the Gemmy animated Big Head Workshop Dancing Santa. Um, I got this off eBay for $5, and he works good, except he doesn't dance because he doesn't dance, so he just sings since he doesn't want to dance. Anyway, yeah, except he doesn't want to dance. Just the head. The head would just move in the mouth too. Um, when I got it, the mouth was broken, so I had to go in there and fix the mouth. And then there was a split gear, so I had to fix the mouth. And I used like a dental floss, and then I inserted it in, and then guess what? He worked. And you know something is that the head is off. You see, there's a little piece when I took him off. Um, So his mouth works fine after I tested it and I put a dental floss in it. However, it works. So yeah. Hang on, let me fix the head. I'll be right back. Okay. Anyway, okay there. I fixed the head. Oh, and what's really cool is the wagon is also off. And he has a little this, but I'm gonna put it back anyway. So I'm guessing both the hair and the wagon are both removable. But I'm trying not to remove that one because if I do that, then he's gonna be all bald. So anyway, enough with the enough with the face. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the box. It says Big Head Workshop Dancing Santa, Gemmy, a holiday tradition. It says the same thing. It um says receive. Let me see if it's Anyway, it says Santa sings, turns his head, and dances to his own Christmas version of Charlie Brown. I mean, not the Charlie Brown cartoon. I mean another Charlie Brown, the one that's sang by the coasters. I think. I have no idea who sang Charlie Brown. Anyway, pictured smaller than actual height of 16. Features synchro motion technology. Mouth moves in sync to the words of the song. Gemmy a holiday tradition. Requires 4 AA batteries not included. Built-in 12-volt AC adapter jack not included. Is the side, and the back, and I know what it says. It says it says the same thing. It says the same thing. It says the same thing like my Jemmy Big Head Santa, the one that I have. This one says on the top, there's a little description, and it says, features synchro motion, a cutting-edge technology and animation which utilizes specifically designed electronic components to synchronize the motion of the mouth to words or phrases, making an inanimate object come to life magically. And here's a description, but this one's different. It has the same exact description like my Jemmy Big Head Santa, the original one, the one I would sing when Santa Claus gets your letter. Anyway, it says Santa's been resting up all year and now he's ready to celebrate the holiday season. He's so excited he can't keep still. He swings his arms and hips, turns his head from side to side, and actually moves his mouth to the words as he sings a Christmas version of Charlie Brown. This Santa can do it all. Battery instructions, General Industries Corporation, Irene, Texas 75038 USA, Jeremy.com, copyrighted 2001, made in China. So this one is made in 2001. So yeah, that was made in 2001. Anyway, now I'll be focusing on the Santa now. He works fine, except he doesn't dance. So, enough of me talking. I guess I'll show you. I guess I'll show it to you in action. So here he is. Hope you guys enjoy.
Ho, ho, ho! I'll see you on Christmas. I hope
say he doesn't dance.
Cause the little kitties are depending on me. Who's always flying in the plane? Who leaves the reindeer on the way? Who else are working night and day? Guess who? Me? Yeah, you. Flies down the chimney, right at your feet. Who leaves the presents underneath the tree? Santa Claus, the Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Keep that divide, I do you up for free. Cause the little kitties are depending on me.
So yeah, that was the Johnny animated big head dancing workshop Santa. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope you like this video and bye.